Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zendesk ticket creation from no-code forms. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Zendesk ticket creation from no-code forms, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Once logged in, navigate to the Admin Center. On the left sidebar, select the Apps and Integrations section. Look for the Marketplace option and click on it. In the Marketplace, search for no-code form integrations. Choose a suitable form tool that supports Zendesk integration, such as Typeform or Google Forms. Follow the prompts to install the desired app, ensuring it connects with your Zendesk account. After installation, locate the form tool you just set up. Create a new form using the selected no-code tool. Design your form by adding necessary fields that users will fill out. In the form settings, look for webhook or integration options. Set up a webhook that points to your Zendesk ticket creation endpoint. Configure the data mapping between your form fields and Zendesk ticket properties. Test the integration by submitting a test entry through the form. Verify that a new ticket appears in your Zendesk dashboard after submission. Make any necessary adjustments to the form or data mapping based on the test results. Once satisfied, finalize the form and share it with your intended audience. Now users can easily create tickets in Zendesk directly from your no-code forms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.